Hi friends, Namaste. This is Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to do pigeon pose, which is very effective for sciatic pain and for lower back pain. When you do this posture and hold for 5 to 10 breaths, it's very effective. You can feel the relief immediately. Okay, so let's do. Sit in Vajrasana. Before doing this, do some preparatory postures to prepare your legs and body. Okay, sit in Vajrasana. Now come up onto your hands, all the joints in one line. Tuck your toes. Breathe in, breathing out. Lift your hips up into down dog. Now pedal your legs. Prepare and stretch your legs. Deep breath in, right leg up. And bring your right leg perpendicular to the mat. Okay, just rest your knee. Now rest your left knee down. Untuck your toe and slowly crawl it back, bringing your hips down to the floor. Okay, sit here. Okay. So as much you can bring your hips down, you can, and here hold. Palms on the floor, and now stretch as much you can, stretch back. You can see a lot of good stretch here. This is very good for back pain, and also you can see a lot of stretch in the hips, so this helps for sciatic pain. Hold here 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly walk your hands and rest your forehead down. Hold here 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in, walk your hands back and rise up. Now tuck your toe, lift your hips, take your leg back to down dog. Again, if you want, pedal your legs. Push your head towards your knees. You feel a lot of stretch in the back of the legs, which is good for doing the postures. Okay, now we'll repeat with the left leg. Deep breath in, left leg up. And bring it perpendicular to the mat. Rest your right knee. Untuck your toe and slowly go down. Bring your hips down. Slide down. Okay. Here you should not tilting your hips to one side. You have to keep your hips straight. Okay. Bring them straight. If you're not able to bring your hips down, you can use a block or a cushion. Okay. Palms here. Now stretch as much you can. Stretch back. Hold for 5 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And walk your hands. Forehead down. 5 more counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and rise up. Now tuck your toe, lift your hips and take your leg back into down dog. Pedal your legs, push your head towards your knees and sit into Vajrasana. Okay friends, so this is how we can do the pigeon pose. It's very effective for lower back pain and sciatic pain. As I told, if you have sciatic pain on one leg or whichever side you have, you will repeat more number of times. It will give very fast relief. Keep watching my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Namaste.